Kani gadega Pati CTV.
Kinong kerjaan jong MLA kenong spong soyong constituency uba HDR Lingdo. Kibadai kidikot jong soyong Kongres Mahila Block Committee. Henne kasni kasitarik urampang kilawan kiu syakni kenong ba Shillong rengkat ki plakat. Ba lecture syaka jakat rekam jong Kongres jong kani kejela. Ha Kongres Bhawan kebadan ha Polis Bazar Shillong. Namar baka sarkar kadai ke belasenca dak seng Kongres. Kini ginong kerjaan ke seng Kongres na soyong kelait dawa na ginong ilam jong ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. Ban penhiar syuki uba HDR Lingdo kumu menteri ke sarkar. Kumbala dawa dak seng balang namar semladan keti hakikam aurea.
Ni ki soyong long Mahila Congress ni wanang ni ba ni dan bandawa na usi minister badan burong ban na MPPC ba di lapang ba inom penyiar suki ya ba HDR Lingdo kumu minister Teniwan nama ba ni don Kenya data ba ni kuat Kenya kumu minister penyiar kanika suki kumu meli jumi namangi kumka soyong constituency te isam Kenya ba dan ti Kenya kanika jinja hamar belen takenya kuat kanya iban hiar na suki dai ho ode emle jungi gidon get kam sim ke jins ko Kenya ba taken oi ke jungan jungi hang ni rus bang gim dadan ban kala sipang kata ndai ka bangi ni don ni ka bakalong na kamata bang tawana tau emle jungi hakmat joki pan na menta kan ka priyan ka
Nakaliang ke Presiden jong ke Meghalaya Kongres Mahila ke Kong Job Len Chilla kalau ong bayakani ke jingdawa jong gini nong kersan ke Kongres na soyong on sapen sngau syaki bor bahalor jong ke MPCC kiban sabi syar halor kani ke jingdawa na mari ke guest house na penya de ginong tray batu ba HDR Lingdo dan bentai hakita ki kam aurea.
In that matter, I think the case is going on, whatever is happening. And as a Home Minister, I think why would he step down? He was not involved in the rape case. He was not involved. Personally, he was not involved in the rape case. So why would he step down? The person involved in the rape case has been arrested. From what we think, what we feel as Mahilas. We feel that, yeah, if he was directly involved, we will be the first one to tell him to step down. We will be the first one. We'll stand outside his office or his residence and tell him to step down. But since he is not directly involved, why should he pay the price?
Kani gadega Pati CTV.